Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be demonstrating on how to powder coat at home. I will be powder coating a metallic guitar straight edge tool scale, a metallic scale. I hope you must be aware of the basic prerequisites for powder coating, which is a clear metallic surface which is free from dust, free from dirt and grease. So we require following things for powder coating: air compressor. Any air compressor with pressure delivery of at least 20 psi will be okay. However, it depends from one system to another, which mine requires at least 20 psi and up to a maximum of 30 psi. So this is a powder coating system. That is the powder reservoir. There is which stores the paint, and on the press of trigger, the paint passes through electrically charged chamber in the gun, and then with air pressure gets delivered and sprayed on the negatively charged or grounded metal surface, which needs to be powder coated. The powder hence sticks to the metal. The gun gets charged on the press of the foot switch. The earth clip which you see is connected to the metal surface through the metallic hook, which usually suspends the metal unit to powder coat. So this is an extreme high tension power supply which creates extremely high voltage in the gun, through which the powder passes and then acquiring a positive charge before being sprayed on the metal. The foot switches on the supply while you spray the powder. The tip of the gun, as you can see, is adjustable to control the spread of the powder. This is an earth clip which needs to be connected to the metallic hook which will suspend the scale. This is a hot air oven which has both the element and the convection mode. The convection mode uniformly distributes the heat inside the oven and is quite recommended. A word of caution here: the oven which is used once for powder coating cannot be again used for any food cooking purpose. Beware of that. Clearing of metal surface with an alcoholic or acetone based cleaner. You must take care that any previously painted surface needs to be free from paint after proper sanding. People do have sand blasters which removes every bit of paint from the metallic surface. Now starting to spray in even fashion at a distance of approximately 1 feet from the scale. Make sure to wear proper eye and nose mask and to avoid inhaling the powder during the process. Now that's a even uniform finish on the metal surface. Now transfer the scale into the oven which is preheated. Most of the epoxy polyester powder would cure at 200 degrees centigrade for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. So now carefully suspend the object in the oven and take care not to smudge the powder, because it is still not cured and it has still not sticked to the surface properly. During the course of its curing, you would notice a change in the texture of the powder and a smooth melting on the surface. I usually keep switching on the convection mode for a period of approximately 5 minutes and keeping both the top and the bottom rods in the oven on. Now we see that the curing has come to an end. Carefully take the scale out from the oven and then leave it to cool down. Don't be hasty to rub it against any metal surface. If you want any surface not to be coated with powder coat, is masked using a masking tape. You can also use a heat resistant polyamide tape if it is available with you. Now please have a look at the final finish of the product. It's very smooth, very even. There are no signs of blebs or blisters, and the masking tape has been removed. Now a special mention about threaded surfaces when you don't need them to powder coat and you don't need the powder to enter the threads. The powder after curing will obliterate all your threads and the paint would start chipping off to the main surface. So you have high temperature resistant silicone plugs which are available in different sizes. Use the appropriate size to plug the thread. If you want the outer threads to be masked or if you want the outer threads to be covered, you have silicone caps for that purpose. Use the suitable silicone cap or a plug and then you powder coat and then you bake it in the oven as usual. Only remove the silicone plug and the cap after the powder is cured and the metal surface has cooled down. Happy powder coating. Thanks for watching.